Hey friends, if you are a parent or a grandparent, you already know this truth. We spend our whole life giving love, but sometimes the people we love the most walk away first. Many seniors today feel ignored, unappreciated, and disrespected by their own children. Not because they are bad children, but because life pulls them in many directions. Today's message is not about blaming them. It's about empowering you, because you deserve respect, peace, and dignity at every age. So today, I'll share 6 powerful actions that can gently bring respect back into your home. Without shouting, without begging, without anger, let's begin. 1. Stop arguing. Start creating silence power. When someone raises their voice or talks with disrespect, our natural reaction is to defend, to explain, to argue. But here's a secret most elders don't know. Silence is stronger than shouting. Distance is louder than anger. When your child disrespects you, try this once. Stay calm, don't defend, don't argue, just become silent. Because silence makes people reflect. It creates guilt. It creates awareness. Most disrespect happens because they think, Mom, Dad will adjust. Mom, Dad will forgive again. But when you stop responding emotionally, they suddenly realize, oh, I crossed a line. Respect begins in that moment. 2. Stop giving everything. Let them miss your value. Many seniors make one mistake. They keep giving, giving, and giving money, help, support, advice, time, sacrifice. But the more you give endlessly, the less people value you. Respect grows when someone realizes your worth. Try this. If your child only calls you when they need something, don't immediately say yes. Pause. Take time. Set gentle boundaries. Say something like, I will see what I can do, but I also have my own needs. This one sentence tells them, you matter too. And when they miss your support, they understand your value. 3. Live your own life. Don't make them the center. Many parents make their children their whole world. But for children, their world is much bigger. Work, relationships, responsibilities, stress. So here is a rule. Don't make them your only source of happiness. Start enjoying things without waiting for them. Morning walks, small trips, cooking your favorite meal, joining a club or group, reading, gardening, making new friends. When your children see that you are independent, active, and emotionally strong, their attitude changes instantly. They start thinking, my mom, dad doesn't depend on me. I should respect them more. Dependence often brings disrespect. Independence brings respect back. 4. Express your feelings clearly, without drama. Most seniors never express their hurt. They either stay silent or suddenly explode after everything builds up. Try something different. A calm, honest conversation. Call your child or sit with them and say, my dear, I don't need money from you. I don't need gifts. I only need respect. When you speak harshly, it hurts me. I raised you with love. I want us to stay close, not distant. No drama, no tears, just truth. Children forget your sacrifices, but they never forget your honesty. 5. Stop running after them. Let them come to you. Here is the law of life. When you stop chasing people, they notice your absence. Sometimes parents call again and again, text again and again, worry again and again, and children start taking it for granted. Try this once. Reduce your calls. Give space. Let them call first. They will wonder, why is mom/dad not calling like before? Are they okay? Did I do something wrong? This small gap makes them come back with more respect. Remember, your value rises when your presence is not easily available. 6. Build a life they are proud of. Respect doesn't come from age. It comes from personality. When your children see that you are improving your health, learning new things, keeping your home clean, staying active, living with confidence, they feel proud. They speak to you with more care. They respect you without being told. Many seniors think, I'm too old to start something new. Number, you are not old, you are experienced. You are wise. You are capable. Start small, a 15-minute walk, a new hobby, a positive routine, better eating habits, better sleep, better boundaries. When you grow, respect grows. Listen, you are not weak. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. Your story is powerful. Your sacrifices are real. Your heart is full of love. Maybe your children are busy. Maybe they are stressed. Maybe they don't understand yet. But one day they will look back and realize you were the safest place in their entire life. Until that day, stay calm, stay strong, and stay dignified. Because respect doesn't come by force. It comes by presence. And your presence, your wisdom, your strength, is something they will always return to. If you found comfort or value in this message, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, dear friend, you deserve respect, not because of what you gave, but because of who you are.